Welcome to the Alex 2 model by DR Horton. This home features 1,560 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and 2 baths. As you enter, you'll notice a nice long foyer before you enter the living space. And right to the front of the home, you have your laundry room, which is nice to have it separated from the living space to save for noise, plus your garage entry. Here you will also find the AC unit cabinet. As we move further into the home, you have a separated dining area to host all of the family functions. And you'll see the hallway here to the 2 bedrooms and shared bath that we will explore in a few moments. The Alex 2 features a very nice open concept floor plan with a spacious kitchen adjacent to the living area. It also features a split floor plan with the primary bedroom located in the back of the house, which includes its private ensuite featuring a walk-in shower with double vanities. This model features the closet separate from the bath with plenty of room. Now, as we walk through the living kitchen combo so that you can see the open living space, we'll pass the closet pantry here. And now let's explore the additional 2 bedrooms along with the hall bath. Separating the 2 bedrooms is a storage closet. And finally, the hall and guest bath featured here with tub shower combo. One last look at the open floor plan, the dining space, and thank you so much for touring with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.